Hey everyone, today we're making a homemade Indian curry pizza. And if that makes your brain kind of go like, what? This is one of my favorite things when I was living in San Francisco is ordering curry pizza. I haven't really seen it anywhere else. I'm sure it exists other places, but it's one of the things I missed from San Francisco the most. I was just ordering a curry pizza. So those of you that follow me have probably seen me recently. I made this delicious curry using Zen of slow cooking. It was a crock pot curry, super easy to make. So that recipe, I'm just gonna put the ingredients on screen so you know how to make that curry. And then you can go ahead and just follow the video. I'll put the link in the show notes so you can follow that video to make the curry. It's super, super easy. So go ahead and make that crock pot curry. That's gonna be the thing that takes the longest. And then you're gonna take your pizza dough, which I also have a recipe for. I will put the link to that too, but here's the ingredients just so you know what you need. I love this pizza dough. It's really great. It's really chewy, super, super delicious. So you're gonna take your pizza dough and you go ahead and press that out, press out the ball. Press out the ball and then pick the dough up and just kind of turn it like a steering wheel very slowly to kind of stretch out the dough. Now, I will say this, I will fully admit that I suck at shaping pizza dough. Like, it never looks like a circle. It might look like Africa or, I don't know, like Homer Simpson, but like the pizza that you're seeing in this video, I didn't shape that dough, just so you know. But go ahead and take out that pizza dough after you kind of turn it like a steering wheel. I don't know why I can't say that word. Turn it like a steering wheel. I take my fist under the dough and just kind of stretch it out until it's fully stretched out. Put it on the pizza pan, and then we're gonna add in your pizza sauce. You can just use a jarred sauce for that or a homemade one if you have it. And we're gonna add in a cilantro pesto. This is also a recipe that I have on my YouTube channel, so I will put the link to that also in the show notes. And here's the ingredients just so you know what you need. The cilantro pesto just goes really lovely with this curry from Zen of Slow Cooking. So add the cilantro pesto, and now you're gonna take that curry that you made in the crock pot and add that on too. Add in some fresh mozzarella. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven at 500 degrees and bake it for about 10 minutes until that crust pops up, looks just nice, great, and golden brown. And then pull it out of the oven, chop that baby up, and then top it off with some chopped fresh cilantro. And then you have this delicious Indian curry pizza that I think you're gonna love. But if you don't, you can let me know about down below by making a comment. If you do, give me a thumbs up. And if you like this recipe, I make new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I'll see you next time.